In this video, we are going to change the language of the game from English to Chinese. Right now, we are on the main screen, or the title screen. Going to click on Settings. Then we're going to go over to Language. And over here, it's set to English. We're going to click on the arrow key and we're going to click on the first option. The first option is Simplify Chinese, 简体中文, and the second option is 繁体中文, and that's if you want to do traditional Chinese. And we're going to go for simplified. So we're going to click on the first one. Now everything is in Chinese. With this one, it says 语音语言, that's the audio, and it's already set to 汉语, Mandarin Chinese. We're going to leave that as it is. You do have the option to set it to English, but we're going to leave it as 汉语. And we have 字幕, subtitle. Right now it says it's on. If you click on the arrow key, you can change that to off. We're going to turn it on. So it looks like it's all set to Chinese. First option is our continue game, 继续游戏, and then don't click on second one. Second one will erase your progress, right? Yeah. Second one is 新游戏, new game, and that will erase the progress, so don't click that. Click on the first one, 继续游戏, continue game. This is awesome, everything is in Chinese now. I want to see if when they talk, I want to see if the subtitles also in Chinese. Okay, so here it says we need to press E, and it says 开门, open door, 开门, so can press E. I'm using a mouse keyboard right now. Maybe I switch back to controlling a bit. Oh, just like you. It is in Chinese! Oh my god! I mean the subtitle. This is awesome. The boss looks mean though.
Straightforward dodges.
亲手将他们超度。我甚至把那些经书残卷一一复原。
This is definitely not beginner friendly. I mean, in terms of language level.
但我知道总有
That's
一
fun
天，
though.
你还是会找上门来。
Okay, wait, hold on. Is it A or is it left click? Oh my god, I'm low HP already. No! I'm dead already?